Whether you're a coin collector, hobbyist, or professional, a digital coin microscope can reveal details the naked eye can't see. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital coin microscopes that bring precision, clarity, and advanced features right to your desk. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Elikliv EDM4 digital coin microscope. The Elikliv EDM4 digital coin microscope is a versatile tool designed to enhance precision and detail in coin examination, hobby exploration, and small object inspection. Built with user-friendly features, it combines portability with advanced imaging technology to deliver an efficient and enjoyable viewing experience. At the heart of the device is a 4.3-inch HD LCD display, providing a 720p resolution that allows users to observe fine details clearly and comfortably without relying on an external screen. The larger display ensures that intricate textures and surface markings can be seen with ease, making it especially useful for collectors and hobbyists. The microscope offers continuous zoom capabilities with magnification ranging from 50x to 1000x. This wide range ensures flexibility, whether you need a closer inspection of micro details or a broader view of an entire specimen. To support clear imaging under different lighting conditions, it is equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, ensuring consistent brightness and sharpness. For extended functionality, the Elikliv EDM4 allows PC real-time viewing by connecting to a computer via USB. By installing software such as AMCAP or using the computer's built-in camera application, users can view live images on a larger screen, capture data, or share findings. This makes the device suitable not only for personal use, but also for teaching, demonstrations, and documentation. The height-adjustable stand further enhances stability and adaptability, giving users the flexibility to position objects at the ideal viewing angle. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the microscope is designed for portability, enabling use in various settings without being tied to a constant power source. Blending compact design with high functionality, the Elikliv EDM4 digital coin microscope provides an effective solution for anyone who values clarity, detail, and convenience in microscopic observation. Coming in at number 4, we have the Hayve MK5 digital coin microscope. The Hayve MK5 digital coin microscope is a versatile tool designed for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who require precision and clarity in their observations. Featuring a powerful 50x to 1600x magnification range, it provides detailed views of coins, stamps, jewelry, and other small objects with remarkable accuracy. Equipped with 8 built-in LED lights and 2 additional side lights, the microscope ensures balanced illumination, reducing shadows and enhancing fine details. This lighting system is particularly useful when examining reflective surfaces or intricate textures, delivering a clear and consistent view every time. The device includes a 4.3-inch adjustable screen that can tilt and rotate, allowing users to find the most comfortable angle for extended viewing sessions. Whether seated at a desk or adjusting for shared viewing, the flexibility of the display makes the experience more user-friendly and efficient. Beyond simple magnification, the Hayve MK5 also integrates photo and video recording functions, enabling users to capture and document their observations with ease. This feature is especially valuable for collectors, educators, or researchers who want to preserve detailed records of their work. For a broader and more immersive perspective, the microscope can also be connected to a PC, transforming the experience with a larger viewing platform. This option is ideal for demonstrations, group studies, or in-depth analysis where a bigger screen enhances precision and collaboration. Compact, functional, and equipped with modern features, the Hayve MK5 digital coin microscope is more than just a magnification tool, it is a complete solution for observation, documentation, and learning. At number 3, the Inskam digital coin microscope. The Inskam digital coin microscope is designed to deliver a clear and detailed viewing experience for hobbyists, collectors, and professionals alike. Featuring a 7-inch Full HD display, it allows for precise observation whether you are taking photos, recording videos, or analyzing images. The screen ensures that every detail is sharp, making the microscope suitable for both educational and practical applications. With its 50x to 1200x magnification range, users can easily adjust the zoom and focus using the knob. The flexibility to raise or lower the microscope ensures different perspectives, offering a wider view when positioned higher and more detailed close-ups when placed lower. This adaptability makes it suitable for studying fine details that are otherwise difficult to see with the naked eye. Equipped with a micro TF card slot, the microscope allows users to save images and videos directly during observation. These files can be conveniently stored and later output for further use or sharing. Additionally, the device supports real-time viewing on a PC via USB connection, enabling users to project their findings onto a larger monitor for more extensive analysis or collaborative work. The adjustable stand enhances comfort by letting users modify both the angle and height of the screen. This flexibility not only provides the best viewing position, but also reduces strain during prolonged use. Built with durability in mind, its metal construction ensures stability and longevity. Beyond coin collection and hobbyist activities, the Inskam digital coin microscope is also a valuable tool for adults working in technical fields. It proves especially useful for electronics repair, PCB soldering, and conducting experiments where precision and clarity are crucial. Combining high-quality visuals with practical features, this microscope brings professional-grade performance to a wide range of tasks. In the second spot, we have the Tomlov DM9 Pro digital coin microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Pro digital coin microscope is an advanced inspection tool designed to deliver precision, clarity, and versatility for professionals and hobbyists alike. Featuring a 1920 by 1080p resolution and a 7-inch IPS glossy screen, it provides a lifelike visual experience with vibrant colors, wide 178-degree viewing angles, and smooth image rendering. This makes it ideal for detailed work, such as circuit board soldering, watch or clock repair, plant studies, jewelry evaluation, and identifying rare coins. One standout feature of the DM9 Pro is its 8.5-inch extended metal bracket, which allows users to view entire coins in full frame. Built with a durable aluminum bracket and base, it ensures stability and long-lasting use, making it a dependable companion for coin collectors and technical inspections. With 10x to 1200x magnification and 16-megapixel photo resolution, the microscope captures remarkable detail, allowing fine analysis of the smallest features. Users can further enlarge images with viewing software for even deeper inspection. For larger displays, the DM9 Pro supports HDMI and USB simultaneous output, making it effortless to connect to monitors, TVs, or computers without requiring additional software. Illumination is enhanced by 8 built-in LEDs around the lens and 2 flexible sidelights on goosenecks, ensuring that every angle of the subject is well lit. This adjustable lighting system highlights intricate textures and details even in challenging conditions. Adding to its ease of use, the microscope comes with a wireless remote control, allowing hands-free operation during observation and photography. Whether for documentation, research, or collection analysis, the Tomlov DM9 Pro combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features, offering a complete solution for high-precision visual exploration. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rievbcau DM12 digital coin microscope. The Rievbcau DM12 digital coin microscope offers a remarkable combination of technology and versatility, designed to transform the way enthusiasts and professionals explore the microscopic world. Featuring a large 10.1-inch IPS screen, it delivers vibrant, crystal-clear visuals, making detailed observation more immersive and engaging. Whether you are examining coins, circuit boards, or small biological specimens, the expansive display ensures every detail is visible with exceptional clarity. With the built-in 32GB TF card, the DM12 allows users to capture and store fascinating discoveries and memorable moments. This makes it easy to revisit observations or share findings with colleagues, students, or friends. The Microscope's broad system compatibility, supporting Windows 7, 8, 10, and above, as well as Mac, ensures seamless integration with multiple devices, enhancing flexibility for various applications. Connectivity is made simple through a high-definition multimedia interface, allowing the Microscope to connect effortlessly to external displays or devices. This feature is particularly valuable for presentations, teaching, or collaborative work, as it enables smooth sharing of high-resolution images and videos. The Microscope's magnification ranges from 50x to an impressive 2000x, offering unprecedented detail for examining intricate structures and patterns. Its design also supports outdoor use, powered by electricity for extended sessions, with a separate battery for the coin magnifying light to ensure functionality in darker environments. With the Rievbcau DM12 digital coin microscope, users can experience limitless exploration, combining advanced technology with portability to bring the microscopic world to life wherever they go.